'59 Chevrolet. Got a 350. Soon to be power steering. You see I used the original mounts, and I don't know if you can see it, but I've got a Tremec 5-speed transmission. Used the original clutch pedals. It worked out real good. Air conditioning, headers, fleet side bed, short, rare. The inside looks as good as the outside. All original in here, except the one-piece power windows. Seats have a Honda minivan, got the armrest on both sides. My line lock on my shifter handle. Now let me see what it'll do.
All right.